Here on Llanfair Hill in Shropshire, we have one of the best preserved sections of Offas Dyke anywhere, with a 2 metre plus ditch and a 4 metre bank. And while it survives exceptionally well in this location, we're still only looking at some of the bare bones of what was once a much more complex anatomy. We've lost a lot of the other features that would have been associated with this monument. So we don't know if there were gateways. There's later knock-throughs of farm tracks, but we don't know if there were ways in and out with gatehouses. We don't know whether there were watchtowers. There's still a whole series of other features we can only guess about. Did they plant thorn hedges in the ditch to make it more impassable? You know, we still only have some answers. And do you know what? We're still debating whether Offas Dyke went from sea to sea, as Asa in his biography of Alfred the Great suggests. We still don't know how long it took to make, and indeed for how long it was used. You know, was it an experiment that was forgotten within a generation, or was it enduring as a monument in the landscape and effectively a frontier work for the whole of the late 8th and early 9th centuries? And so we still don't even have a conclusive date that it was all built by King Offa. So, in other words, while we know a lot and we're trying to preserve this ancient monument, and there's been important research being done, we still have a lot of questions unanswered. It remains an enigma.